how can I influence my family to eat healthier during this crisis?
The answer is to eat healthier yourself and to talk about it. Talk about why you're doing this. Well, just kind of talk out loud to yourself. I'm going to do this. When you're on your phone and checking in with family members, tell them about something that you've done recently or why you're eating it. Just bring it up. I'm constantly doing this with my sister about sugar, about inflammatory foods. Not to pick on her, but setting an example and showing them what good health looks like and how delicious it can be is the best way to convince other people to join you in the keto diet. It worked with him.
Yep.
Very
influenceable.
Yeah, when I started the keto diet, which I started for health reasons, he looked at me and he said, I am not doing that diet. I am not giving up my bread, my beer, and my pasta.
Yeah. So
30 days later, he said, I think I'm going to start this in a week.
This is the perfect time because people are going to be looking for solutions to their problems and their fears, and not to play on people's fears, but to give them hope, to give them a solution to maybe a metabolic issue that they have that is going to support the immune system, right? So this is the perfect time to have those conversations about healthy living and healthy eating and getting right with yourself, because people are going to be open to it. They're going to have, their mind is going to be
looking for solutions.
Yeah, they really are. So this is the absolute perfect time to start having those conversations and to start demonstrating that in more of a vocal way.